Hi, my name is Cristella. I'm from 12H. So this is my maths remedial. Number 1, given that points A, 1, 2, 1, B, 5, 3, 5, and C, 13, 5, P are collinear, the value of P is AB factor equals to K times AC factor. B factor minus A factor equal to K times C factor minus A factor. 4.1, 4, equal K. 12, 3, P minus 1. So 4 equal to 12K and 4 per 12 equals to K. The answer is 1 per 3 equals to K. And here is 4 equal to K, P minus K. 4 equal to 1 per 3 P minus 1 per 3. 4 plus 1 per 3 equals 1 per 3 P. 13 per 3 equals 1 per 3 P. 13 per 3 times 3 per 1 equals P. 39 per 3 equals to P. And 13 equals to P. Number 2, given that factor A equals 4E minus 5J plus 3K and point P 2, minus 1, 3. If the magnitude of PQ factor opposite direction to A factor, then the magnitude of Q factor is PQ equals to minus A factor. Q factor minus P factor equals to minus A factor. Q factor equals to minus A factor plus P factor. Minus 4, 5, minus 3 plus 2, minus 1, 3. Minus 2, 4, 0. The magnitude factor of Q equals to akar minus 2 akar 2 plus 4 akar 2 plus 0 akar 2. Akar 4 plus 16 equals to akar 20 sama dengan akar 4 kali akar 5 sama dengan 2 akar 5. If factor A equals to xi minus 4j plus 8k is perpendicular to factor B equals to 2xi plus 2xj minus 3k, then the value of x that satisfies this is x, minus 4, 8 times 2x, 2x minus 3 equal to 0. 2x akar 2, minus 8x, minus 24 equals to 2 per x akar 2 minus 4x minus 12 equals to 0 divided by 2. So x minus 6 is x equal to 6 and x plus 2 equals to x equals minus 2. Given that factor A equals 3i minus 2j plus k, B equals to 2i minus 3k and C equals to j minus 2k. If factor P represent 2a minus 3b plus 3c, then the magnitude of factor P is P sama dengan 2 kurung 3i kurang 2j tambah k tutup kurung 3 buka kurung 2i kurang 3k tutup kurung, tambah 3 buka kurung J kurang 2K tutup kurung. P sama dengan 6I kurang 4J tambah 2K kurang 6I tambah 9K tambah 3J kurang 6K. P sama dengan 6I kurang 4J tambah 3J tambah 2K tambah 9K kurang 6K. P sama dengan OI, min J, 5K. P sama dengan buka kurung 0, min 1, 5 tutup kurung. Magnitude factor of P sama dengan akar 0 akar 2 tambah min 1 akar 2 tambah 5 akar 2. Akar 0 tambah 1 tambah 25 sama dengan akar 26. If any quadrilateral ABCD, S and T are the midpoints of AC and BD, respectively, if factor A equals to factor ST, then factor AB plus factor AD plus factor CB plus factor CD can be expressed in terms of factor AS. Factor AB equals factor AS plus factor ST plus factor TB. Factor AD equals to factor AS plus factor ST plus factor TD. Factor CB equals factor CS plus factor ST plus factor TB. Factor CD equals factor CS plus factor ST plus factor TD plus equals to 0 plus 4 factor ST plus 0 equals to 4 factor ST equals to 4 factor A. So AC factors equals to CS factor. AC factor minus CS factor equals to 0. AC factor plus SC factor equals to 0. TB factor equals TD factor. TB factors minus TD factors equals to 0. TB factors plus DT factor equals to 0. TB equals DT. TB equals minus DT plus equals 0. TB plus TD equals 0. So that's all. Thank you, sir.